From a hobbyist to a thriving artist challenge, day 14. It's been 2 weeks already. That's amazing. One of the best ways of building a relationship with your customers and to be found on search engines is having a website. But not just any website, a simple, professional, and clear website. We are visual artists. We need to get visual with our customers. For me, I think website is something like a more fun version of a curriculum vitae. Websites are also a great way to make passive income because you can get advertisements from Google AdSense with no cost to you. You can get paid by those advertisements by click or by per view. When people visit your website, they ask these 2 questions. Who are you and how can you help me? Especially with the new generation Z coming up, they only have 3 seconds to get these answers from you when they visit your page. If they couldn't get the answers of these 2 questions in 3 seconds on your main page, they leave. So be direct, precise, and visually appealing. Loading times are also important. If your page is loading in 10 seconds, then again, those people are out. They don't even get to see your beautiful website because it's not loading in less than 3 seconds. Now, there are so many website providers that you can use and easily build your own website. I highly recommend Wix because that's what I've been using. It is very user-friendly, it's easy to navigate, that's why I love them. And there's also a translate option which gives you an opportunity to translate your website into 2 different languages, and its SEO wizard also helps you to improve your SEO on your website because it tells you exactly what to do step by step. If you want to use Wix, I'm leaving the link down below in the description part. I'm also leaving a link for WordPress, which I use for my blog, not my main website. WordPress is also pretty good, especially with integrations. I think they are better than Wix when it comes to integrations, but they're not as easy to navigate as Wix. So the choice is yours. I'm leaving both links below. You just pick one and you start building your beautiful website. Don't be overwhelmed, please. You don't have to finish all of them over one night. Just start from the main page or design it in your head, maybe on a piece of paper, what you want to put on the main page, how you want to talk to those people in 3 seconds so that they have the clear message that what you do and how you can help them. I'll see you tomorrow in my next video, guys.